Hi, my name is Maurice Teo from Homerenoguru, and today we have a very interesting topic to share with you. And the topic is about when do you get a contractor to renovate your house compared to an interior designer? I believe this is a question that most homeowners want to ask. So it's my privilege today I have a contractor, interior designer, and a little bonus, a supply manufacturer with us today. So I will start by asking the contractor Ah Piao a question. So Ah Piao, 自我介绍一下。
我是阿彪，
对，做给是几年啊
？1975年做，40出了啦。
And I have an interior designer, Ronnie.
Yeah, from Swiss Interior. I've been in this line from 2005, 14 years in this trade.
If you don't know, he's the same guy that did the 1-week kitchen renovation and he won, remember? Also known as Kitchen King at this moment. And the next we have a supplier. Hayden, maybe you want to introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Hayden Chua. I'm the marketing director of Excel Hardware. Excel, we are wholesale distributor and manufacturer for premium quality furniture hardware.
Okay, so I'm going to ask the first question. Is there a difference between getting a contractor and an interior designer to renovate a house? So I'm going to pass this question to Ah Piao, the contractor.
我人是找我人是无出道啦，厝主叫爱叫我人回答，我人讲无啦，无变啦，我人就是讲你到迄边你爱做啥物，对，有时厝主就是安尼话，安尼出道我人就无变咯。啊，久我人做教徒啦，有时伊叫我做水摆做电啦，你种久真侪物件安排倒面啥物啊，我人无做嘛，来较麻烦淡薄啦。甲公司做无着，伊人包个了，伊人就有人做。
Ronnie, is there a difference between getting an interior designer like yourself to renovate a house compared to Ah Piao, the contractor? In your opinion, what do you think?
If a homeowner, if they were to engage contractor themselves, they will need to do the coordination work, design work themselves, and need to know basic knowledge of renovation process as well. So engaging an ID basically is a one-stop solution where we do the coordination, have numbers of site meeting, discussion with owners, understand more about their living lifestyle, their space and budget as well, to plan the whole entire renovation works and educate them on the material used for their house, providing with defect check, warranty arrangement and after sales service. So homeowners just need to deal directly with the ID themselves.
Which is to say, just now Ah Piao says that homeowner, if they engage him, he don't provide drawings and all that, and he don't coordinate the electrical, the piping and even the gas and all that. But you as an interior designer, you will ensure all these things is covered.
Yes, correct. And we try to match the owner's time schedule as well.
Hayden, my question to you. As a supplier and manufacturer, how would you contribute in terms of renovation, in terms of supporting people like the ID and the contractor?
Okay, Excel in year 2018, 1st January, we launched a Go Direct campaign selecting the industry top-notch designers. Swiss Interior is one of them. We've been working long-term relationship. We select the pool of professional IDs. We name it as the Excel preferred partners. So we coach them on products, we do presentation, sales training. With this Go Direct campaign, as a supplier and manufacturer, we launch lifetime warranty on our products. A consumer renovating house with Swiss Interior will enjoy the lifetime warranty benefits, whereas an anonymous contractor, you will not enjoy this lifetime warranty on manufacturing defects assurance. Another point is, as a supplier, it worries me so much that owners getting Excel counterfeit and fake products. In the industry, it's a known fact that there's a small percentage of anonymous contractors using Excel fake products.
You mean there are fake products being used in homeowners' house?
Yes, it's not a guess, but it's a fact. That doesn't solve the issue. The best way is through education. We select a pool of Excel preferred partners. Swiss Interior, he will ensure that Excel products delivered to the consumer's house are Excel genuine and authentic products.
So you're saying that it is also an ID responsibility to ensure the products used in the renovation, they're all genuine?
Yes, correct.
Because we work hand in hand with Excel Hardware, they provide us with the backup and of course the lifetime warranty on their mechanism.
I have a next question. The question is, as a contractor, would you prefer to work directly with homeowners or working with the interior designer?
我人甲公司做较好做啦，甲有时 沟通袂到啦，有时物件讲了有问题啦，我人就去量度就做安尼款。然后到有时我人佫爱甲伊讲，敢若选物件啥物啊，佫安排物件有时安排袂到。
价钱咧？
价钱啊，价钱是甲公司我人对有就差不多甲公司相像的。安尼无讲比有时较贵啊，有时有就讲安怎我人有设计批，我人查落做，我人讲家己做啦。
你讲，只是厝主无讲省真侪钱啦，毋对啊？
袂啦，袂省啦。我人嘛是久久做一，该做一粒，做咧无了有时你看。
安尼查讲对公司较好啦。
较长啊。较有工做啊。
较有工做啊。
对，有就真少，有就倒落有讲，你爱设计的，当然我人去头。
我问你吼，有诶 contractor 吼，因人敢若讲爱对厝主咧？
有诶，伊人是敢若伊人朋友介绍的嘛，有人介绍厝主互你，伊人嘛是读过相像的，价钱无了，甲批嘛，对无？
So, Ronnie, I have another question for you, which I think a lot of homeowners out there have the same question. If I engage a contractor to do my house, which I know is cheaper than ID, then why do you think that we should still tell the homeowner that when do you use contractor and when do you use ID?
Contractor, definitely you need to do a coordination yourself. Be it is a big project or it's just a minor project. For ID, the ID actually do the whole coordination for you.
Okay, I have a next question. Is that the homeowners out there have the perception that getting a contractor to renovate their house will be cheaper? The question is it true or not? So I throw this question to Kaden. What do you think? Is it true?
Okay, as a supplier, probably I would represent most of suppliers, I wouldn't say all, but that is for Excel. We select a pool of Excel preferred partners. So, like Swiss Interior, they have their economies of scale in purchase, like bulk order purchasing. So there's a trade amount differing from the retail pricing. House owners and my schoolmates always ask me, Kaden, is it better to go through a contractor or interior designer? So my answer and candid answer to them is, if you have some time and you have passion, then you can project manage yourself and go through a contractor. But if you do not have enough time, then you better go through ID. Correct ID, that's why you have to select from the Excel preferred partner list.
So in conclusion, you have heard from the contractor, interior designer and the supplier. Homeowner, you have the choice. If you have the time to manage the contractors, by all means, go ahead and get a contractor, work with the contractor directly, get the renovation done. Else, I suggest that you work with interior designers, settle your problem hassle-free, and you only have to talk to one person, which is the interior designer, and they are responsible not only to deliver your house, but to ensure all the products that are used in your house are genuine and top quality. Next, the supplier, Kaden from Excel Hardware, continuously providing lifetime warranty and genuine products to the interior designer. And you mentioned about continuous training and educating, and that's what we do in this video to educate you homeowners.
Yeah, Maurice, actually there's another group of people besides the contractors and the ID, which are basically just salesmen. They will take the job for the homeowners. They will usually meet homeowners at job site or in their showroom together with their contractors, and to actually let the contractors have meetings with the homeowner directly, like electrical, plumbing, carpenters and stuff.
Wait, so you're saying that other than contractor and ID, there's another group called them as salesmen, and they don't have like knowledge in terms of renovation?
Okay, they do have some knowledge, but of course not very experienced, so they need to bring the carpenters up for discussion with the homeowners. They need to bring their electrician because they can't plan out an electrical plan themselves. That's why some they don't even do a quotation in for their electrical works.
And how would it become a problem for the homeowner?
That homeowner will need to have site meeting when they are doing the ceiling work, their electrical works, their carpentry works. Whereas as an ID, We discuss with homeowner directly on site or in the office to select all the materials and run through all the layout and detailed drawing. And we will be the one-stop solution coordinating everything. Contractor job basically is just to execute the ID plan, not to let the homeowners discuss with the contractors. Those are basically just a salesman.
So what Ronnie's saying is there's another group of so-called ID, they do somewhat like a coordination, but at the end, homeowners has to make most of the work, and that could be very troublesome. Well, thank you. We are coming to the end of this video. So homeowner out there, if you're looking for a credible, responsible interior designers, do come to www.homerenoguru.sg and check it out.
And to look for reliable IDs, log on to excelhw.com.sg. Under the section Excel Preferred Partners are the selected professional interior designer firms by Excel.
All right, thank you guys. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.